Good. Okay, guys, we're going to break down our last few choreography or last few 8 counts. So we went 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then you got and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So it's 1 8 count, but let's try that one more time. So here, right leg goes, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Right on 2, I turn around. So 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. One more time. Just the legs. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Arms, you're going to go 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3, 4. Then you got 5, 6. So I'm going to point to the ground. Point, point, then 7 and 8. From here, 1. Knee comes up, arm comes up. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then you got and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. That's it.